Kinetic molecular theory. We discussed earlier that diffusion and Brownian motion are evidence of a particle nature of matter. This example helps us understand the properties of matter and a microscopic level. At microscopic level, the properties of three states of matter can be explained by the kinetic molecular theory. The theory states that all matter is made up of particles that have some kinetic energy. This means that all particles are constantly moving. The amount of energy in a substance depends on the state of matter. Gas particles with ample space to move about would have more kinetic energy than liquid particles. Properties like temperature and pressure are dependent on the kinetic energy of particles. The average kinetic energy of particles determines the temperature of a substance. The force exerted by colliding particles on the walls of a container would give us the pressure exerted by the substance. A substance changes its state when kinetic energy of its particles change. For example, heat energy from the sun is converted into kinetic energy of water molecules on the surface of a water body, making them leave the surface or evaporate. Starting to feel it? Now, go master it. The kinetic molecular theory, KTM, explains that gas particles are always moving, and the equation help describe the energy and behavior of those moving particles. Number 1. Kinetic energy equation. Ke equals 1 half squared. This equation shows that the kinetic energy of a gas particles. Ke means kinetic energy. M is the mass of the particles. V is the velocity or speed. It means that energy of a gas particle depends on how heavy it is and how fast it moves. The faster the particles move, the greater kinetic energy.